I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a graphic on a t-shirt. First, ensure your iron is clean and set to the correct temperature for your fabric type, usually a medium heat without steam. Next, prepare your t-shirt by pre-washing and drying it without any fabric softener. This helps the graphic adhere properly. Finally, lay your t-shirt flat on a firm, heat-resistant surface like an ironing board, smoothing out any wrinkles. Now, carefully position your graphic face down on the t-shirt exactly where you want it to be. Once it's perfectly aligned, place a sheet of parchment paper over the entire graphic. This crucial step protects both the graphic and your iron from direct contact. Using firm, even pressure, press the iron down for about 15 to 20 seconds, moving it slightly to cover the whole design. After the initial press, let the graphic cool down completely for several minutes. This allows the adhesive to set properly. Once cool, slowly and carefully peel back the transfer paper from one corner. If any part of the graphic lifts with the paper, simply lay the paper back down, cover it with parchment paper, and repress that area for another 10 seconds. Repeat until the graphic is fully adhered. To ensure your newly ironed graphic lasts, always turn the t-shirt inside out before washing. Use cold water on a gentle cycle, and if possible, air dry it to prevent cracking or peeling. Avoid harsh detergents or bleach. Following these simple care instructions will help your custom t-shirt look great for a long time. And speaking of smart solutions, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.